Hey, welcome back. I'm going to do a repair that I've been meaning to do for a while. If you watched that video probably about a year ago, I installed the UPR catch can kit, went to drain it the first time and broke apart on it. The plastic little gray clip on the inlet to the catch can. I was a dumbass, and you're not supposed to pry it apart. All you got to do is push. So I tried to pull that whole clip out. Super awesome of UPR. This is actually the only part, even being in the motorsports and Ford stuff for about 25 years, only UPR kit or part I've ever run on the car. Over at US 131 Dragway, NMRA race, just there spectating, UPR had their full trailer out there, all the parts that they sell. Going through it, talking to the guy, they had the same catch can kit, and I told them what happened, showed them the video, and look what they came up with. Right here, he actually pulled one off of their brand new one because they couldn't find a backup one in the trailer, so they pulled it off of the one for the show. Gave it to me free of cost. Thank you, UPR. Want to give a shout out. Now let's see. I know the guy in person struggled a little bit. I'm going to try not to break the other one here. Got to give it a squeeze. It separates and pull, and there we go. And obviously this one without a clip is going to come off easily. Now, if I remember how the guy did it, he just kind of pulled. All right. Old one off. Put this here. Grab the new one. Get a workout here. All right. Ooh, no good. Shit. Look at that. Rubber came out. Damn it. Try again. Cut. Hey guys, you can see we're all done with it right now. In my rush to do it live on video, I did end up tearing the rubber O-ring. That was part of it. That completely my fault. So I took it back apart. I was able to salvage the one on the original piece. Took it off and then thought about it and probably should have lubed it up. So I put a little engine oil both on the rubber O-ring and inside the hose was a little bit more gentle. Got it all the way on, and now you can see we are complete. So be careful when you're taking that off. Again, all it takes is a little squeeze from the backside. You see the fingers or whatever, right? The two of them separating, and then you would pull. So we're fully on there now, not coming off, looking good. Thanks again, UPR.